Whawhengainga. Hawhia sui mamalo o ka peneta. Ke tai foi le hawhia sui o whaalapo tutonga mā tātou paanga mai whafo. Walangolangoina nei whamoe moe tāua. Papea le pulenga ma le au whengaluenga le tātou malo. O lo ngā lulue so tau au i le whatinoina o ngā luenga whatinei mū. Ma le tali atu i whavelave tutupu whafose. Le paia ma le mamalu o le au walaulia. Taltonu ua mai o na pai whanua, ma pai lango paia o le so e fofonga o le aso. O paia whalupea o le walaulia, i le tāwhatolu whi whātau ngai o Samoa, i paia whaaltala lei, paia whaale malo, ma paia whaale atunuu, taulama ina o whaatulou, i ai male apatele male whaaloalo. Ua manino ma taoto i langa tonu le whaavaa o ngā luenga whaatino al tātou malo, i ona tūlanga au te tele, mō ngā luenga māti na ese. O le nei poloketi o lo ngā lulue ai le tātou malo Samoa, ma le malo i Apani. Whapea le polokalame, tauati na o malo au whatasi, e tauala mai le Climate Action Pathways for Island Transport Partnership. Ina ia mawhai o na sitia au wala e whalele ai le au unanga, e ala ia tinae o le malo si anga whawhawina tau LTC. Ma o le nei aso, ma le nei whamoe moe, ua mawhai ai on tātou mol mawina le sā, pone piki apu se lua, e whaolaina, e whaaluina i malo si anga whawhawina, whapea mani mea whainga luenga whapitoa mole tinei o mu. Ua whamanuia ai le tātou pulengo tinei mu, ma whaalawelawe tutupu whafosei mai le nei paanga ma proketi sosoani. Reverend Senkweva Fatoafe, Honorable Ministers of Cabinet, members of Diplomatic Corps, development partners, board members, management and staff of Samoa Fire and Emergency Services Authority, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, talo falava and warm greeting to you all. I am pleased to join you this morning for the official launch of Samoa's first fully electric firefighting vehicles and handover from our kind donor partners of specialized firefighting equipment. These milestones support national resilience, emergency readiness, and sustainable and low-emission technology, and envision in Samoa pathway for development 2021-2026, as well as related sector policies to ensure a safe environment for Samoa and promote sustainable development. The role of our Fire and Emergency Services Authority is central to our country's safety and stability. Every day, our firefighters stand at the front line of service, responding to all types of emergency, saving lives, protecting property, and safeguarding community across Samoa. Their ability to carry out this important work depends on having the right tools, modern equipment, and ongoing training to ensure that they are ready at any time to respond to fires, natural disaster, and also emerging risk of new technologies such as electric vehicles. The introductions of these two fully electric Ford F-150 Lightning first responder vehicles and specialized firefighting tools valued at over $100,000 is a big step in that direction. These assets improve our firefighters' ability and response in terms of timeliness, preparedness, and above all, their safety. In this regard, I extend on behalf of Samoa government and our people our sincere thank you of Aftaitelelava to the Japanese government and people and United Nations Development Program for their kind assistance through the Climate Action Pathways for Island Transport Partnership. As their new vehicles and equipment enter operations, may they serve as symbols of progress, reminding us all that true development is measured by the safety and resilience of our people. Together, let us continue to build a greener, safer, and better prepared Samoa for generations to come. Soifua, Mea Manuel Nei Whamoimoi.
Ia le tua, o le lea tina I mātanga o whio. Kaftai paanga Japan, UNDP, le whapea tato malolo ala tak. Ia ina lofa maranga lera tua, ia lofa whanawia ni a seto for ina. Ia whapea nā o ngā tere ni soifua, whapea o na sefi mai, ia mai se whale o aptanga po mea teo tino tato atunu. Glory be to the Lord. Thank you very much for the support and partnership from Japan, UNDP, as well as our government. This is a great investment, and Blessed of FIREFIGHTINg will be using this and driving this to save lives. Thank you.